Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to say thanks to our God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us mercy and blessing, and then respectable to Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, respectable to Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab PAMAG as Director of Zainul Hasan Islamic University, respectable to Miss Sofiatul Hasana as a lecturer of Islamic Education Philosophy. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tarisa Sepdiana, student of English Education Department of Zainul Hasan Islamic University. Now, I will tell you about Islamic education philosophy. For the first is definition. There are three. There is philosophy, education, and Islam. Here, the philosophy of Islamic education has its own meaning. Philosophy in Greek, which consists of two words, namely philos, which means like or love, and the word sophia, wisdom or truth. The second, education. Education is comprehensive process that involves guiding and educating individuals. And the last is Islam. Islam is a religion. His teaching were revealed by God to humans through the Prophet Muhammad SAW as the messenger. So it can be concluded that Islamic education philosophy is an aspect that reveals a truth about education based on Islam. The second is the correlation between philosophy and education. There are three correlations between philosophy and education. Namely, the first, provide director for exciting education theories according to certain philosophical schools, which has relevance to real life. The second, provide guidance and direction in the development of educational theories, educational science, or pedagogy. The last, an approach used in solving educational problems and educational theories by experts. The third is function and role. The function and role of Islamic educational philosophy has an important role in guiding the education system to achieve Islamic goals. Its function includes developing understanding of Islamic values, forming moral, and guiding the learning process so that it is in line with Islamic religion principles. The last is benefits. There are three benefits of Islamic education philosophy. Namely, the first, Islamic education philosophy can help educational designers and the people who implement it in a country to form healthy thoughts about the educational process. The second, educational philosophy can be the best basic for educational assessment in a comprehensive sense. The last, Islamic philosophy will help in providing insight into the spiritual, cultural, social, and political factor of the country. I think enough from me. If there are many mistakes, I am apologies. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.